फैमिली? कौन सी फैमिली पे साले?
3 days before our shoot, we did not have our leads sorted.
कास्टिंग की तो यार कहानी इज टू मच.
What was it like to walk into an actual functioning shoot?
प्रोड्यूसर वाली फीलिंग आई यार, मतलब अब भाव दे रहे हैं, अरे प्रोड्यूसर आ गए.
They had a chair जिसके ऊपर they printed out producer. I'm like, bro, I'm not sitting on that chair.
You broke my trust.
I think it was very great to be a part of the show which actually shows reality and not false dreams.
मेरा पहला शो. जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है अजय, उसने एक नहीं बल्कि कई सारे रॉक बॉटम हिट किए स्टोरी में. पापा ने अलग अलग तरीके से सेव किए हुए पैसे मैंने अलग अलग तरीकों में उड़ा दिए.
इसमें आई थिंक काफी लोगों का हार्ट एंड सोल गया है एंड आई लाइक टू बिलीव जहाँ पे हार्ट एंड सोल जाता है वो शायद चल जाता है.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है अर्जुन पांडे.
Hi, I'm Bhagyashree.
I am Prateek.
I'm Swati.
Hi, I'm Abhishek.
Hi, I'm Nishita.
I am Pulkit.
एंड आई एम नूर.
And welcome to the making of
फिर से उठ चला.
The world doesn't know, but what is फिर से उड़ चला?
So on my desk, study desk, मैं रोज सुबह वहाँ जाके लिखता हूँ. And वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है educate 100 million people. But it only educates those people who know that they need to know about money. What about the rest of the population, which is most people, will never reach them.
For us, it's something that we wanted to do which we had not done before, which LearnApp had not done before, which 01 had not done before.
So it's a new territory for us also.
एक्सपेरिमेंट है, क्यों ना एक वेब सीरीज बनाते हैं, फिक्शनल वेब सीरीज, कुछ होगा बढ़िया तड़का, प्यार मोहब्बत, दिल टूटना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टफ, एंड वी मिक्स सम फाइनेंस या मनी का एंगल इनटू इट.
The objective with this was to go to an audience who is not really into intimidating finance content and wanted something more fun, casual, little less effort.
We were watching Scam 1992, I think.
I love the story. It's entertainment. But from educator POV, the lesson was कि market तो gambling है. Market में तो सही चीज नहीं होता. Only big people can make money. I was like, those people who never thought about money saw it for the entertainment value.
And a generation probably who did not know who Harshad Mehta was.
Now knows.
Now knows.
So what if you use those shaktiyan of fiction
Yeah.
and what we think people should know and then cross it into something which is interesting?
And that is where the thought of making a web series happened.
I think it's August of 24. Prateek and Swati had suggested to us कि web series बनाते हैं. Figure out करो who all are the players in the industry who do this.
Two things were really important. Finding that company was a vibe match honi chahiye. Second, they should be as enthusiastic about personal finance or as finance because it's a very boring subject.
Just for the sake of talking about a web series, we spoke to like a bunch of people.
To be honest here, some of the people we met were not very nice, not fun to work with. They treated us like sponsors. But we kept saying co-production, we'll build it together. And I don't think anyone really understood it or wanted to understand it. I think what we're trying to do is create a new category. And for that, we had to co-build this. Because it was a learning for them as well. Because they kept asking, why aren't you advertising? Why aren't you giving them a CTA? Why aren't you saying, go do this and my product?
Yeah.
And there's none of it. It's pure fiction. And whatever lessons we wanted to give them, pure out of education perspective, those are sprinkled throughout. That would not be possible.
I think we spoke to a bunch of people and we finally decided to work with DICE because they had been doing it for a very long time and we really liked the work that they've done.
All of us thought initially कि वही होगा यार, ऐसा outline लिखेंगे and we'll present and हम देखेंगे and बोलेंगे हाँ बढ़िया है, flow है, structure है, बढ़िया, like it's a good video. And then the writer will write the script, which is the dialogue bazi. It's totally different.
Saying outright कि SIP कर लो is not a
Correct.
thing that you do in fiction, right? Every influencer is doing it. How can you do smartly is where the production houses help us, especially DICE helped us.
I think step 1 जब आया था, when Pranav shared the outlines, तो हम बैठ गए, feedback देना था, review क्या करे उसमें.
And we used to look at it like कि ये क्या, like what are we supposed to say to this?
तो basically 100 dialogues हैं.
It says something like, person 1 and person 2 have an emotional moment and they do blah, blah, blah. I'm like, what? What is the emotional? What are they doing? What is this?
पहला ड्राफ्ट आया नहीं पसंद आया, सेकंड ड्राफ्ट आया नहीं पसंद आया, थर्ड ड्राफ्ट तक कैन हो गया कि नहीं करते.
Now that I understand, it's not indicative of what the dialogue should be.
Yeah.
They just give you like direction.
I think Prateek was the most stressed when the writing was happening because Prateek wants some actionable to happen after every video, right? Like the audience should have some takeaway by the end of every 01 video.
I have defined value to the viewer as ki yaar, can this person do something today that he didn't know in the last 10 minutes?
Yeah.
And did I change his life? But over here, it's something else.
I think it's more emotional connection than anything else.
Yeah, but I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
What the production houses were finding it difficult to do was moral हो लेकिन सामने पता न लगे.
When actually Ishita and Pulkit started actually giving inputs कि इसमें ऐसे इस direction में move कर सकते हो, brand guidelines भेजी, personal finance के philosophies भेजे, 01 philosophies लिख के भेजे, is when we got to something which is कि ठीक है, कर सकते हैं इस पे आगे काम.
We have made sure that 01 का जो philosophy is aligned to each and every episode. It was very essential that we have that because that was a deal breaker कि अगर वो नहीं होगा तो fictional series करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Like the show tells people about the very realistic approach of investments and no false promises. So I think it was very great to be a part of the show which actually shows reality and not false dreams.
Here's the cool thing, right? When they were developing the character, they're like, Pratik, what do you think? I'm like, look, I can't give feedback, but I can tell you this, that I know what the 01 user, वो क्या सोचता है? This I understand really well because I've taught thousands of people face to face also. So I know what they're thinking. So that map we had given to them. I said, देखो, these young people goes to office, salary negotiate करते, they get almost nothing, they're upset, they want to switch, they want faster movement, they want more money, they look at what options are available, they want a plan that they can do immediately. Then what are the options available in the market? All this was given. I wanted that character to represent zero of the 01 journey. This person does not want all these things and what he wants, and they did a very good job in making that
Putting
into
it all
Arjun's
together.
personality.
तो मैंने भी कभी तो अपने लाइफ में अपने पापा से 20,000 रुपये लेकर इन्वेस्ट किए थे जो एक हफ्ते में डूब गए थे, और मैंने पापा को प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं 1 महीने में आपको पैसे वापस कर दूंगा और जो उसमें प्रॉफिट बुक करूंगा उससे आगे ट्रेडिंग कंटिन्यू करूंगा. दिस इज़ रियल लाइफ स्टोरी. तो वो हुआ था तब. जिस तरह मैंने रियल लाइफ में गाली खाई थी वैसी ही कुछ गालियाँ मुझे इस शो में भी पड़ी है. तो दैट वाज वेरी रिलेटेबल फॉर मी.
आई थिंक इनिशियली आवर लेंस वाज हम यूट्यूब के लेंस से देख रहे थे. रिटेंशन होना चाहिए. सेंस ऑफ प्रोग्रेशन कहाँ है इस वीडियो के अंदर, लोग कैसे रिटेन करेंगे. वी डिडंट रियलाइज ब्रो ये वेब सीरीज है, यहाँ पे एंटरटेनमेंट है, लव है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट अदर फैक्टर्स. सो आई थिंक वो लेंस हमने चेंज किया, बट थोड़े टाइम बाद चेंज किया. इनिशियली बहुत स्ट्रगल था.
When the narration was happening, I think they're very brilliant narrators. We could imagine what they had the vision for. We could actually envision what they're writing. We could process it in our brains and have a visualization attached to it.
That really helped us out. I think without the narrations, we were lost on what the script is offering.
I think I enjoyed the process of narration. I think there were small changes here and there, but it was quite enjoyable for me. I think you should say more about the narration bit because you were quite unhappy.
Unhappy because expectation mismatch,
Yeah.
right? They of course did a wonderful job, but I always think, okay, 3 minutes have gone by. Why isn't there a lesson over here? Why isn't the audience learning something? And then I keep reminding myself that so many tales, stories, muhavre are what? It's fiction only, right? And we've told it for like thousands and thousands of years across cultures. So fiction ka job is to give you things to introspect on so you become a better person.
मुझे इतना तो पता लग गया था कि यार they don't expect a fancy calculation or a graph or something that you know आज मुझे बैठ के पढ़ाई करनी है. तो उन लोगों को वो थोड़ा ईज रहेगा कि okay this is a romantic love story or this is a story of a guy like me who is you know कॉर्पोरेट की भी टेंशन है, बंदी की भी टेंशन है, रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर आएगा. एंड उसके बीच में अगर इफ वी कैन इवन prompt that person to you know think about money in any way possible, तो वो सक्सेस होता हमारे लिए.
I think 2014, 2% people who were investing in the markets, it's probably around 8-9% right now. Now this number has to go from 9% to say 60%.
Yeah.
मतलब ये normal चीज करने से नहीं होगा. For you to do financial education at a really large scale, you should not do a class. The tarika is alag. The tarika is you create a new category which is fiction web series around money, like Pictures made people interested about startups.
Yeah.
Fight Club made people interested about the idea of freedom. So you have to do something audacious, crazy, uncomfortable, industry doesn't agree with, because if industry agreed with it, तब हो चुका होता ना.
I heard a rumor that 3 days before our shoot, we did not have our leads sorted. What was casting like, guys?
Casting ये तो यार कहानी is too much.
I think they were already on a schedule because the production team was in place.
Yeah.
And they had to start shooting.
Shoot is 5 days away. Then PS is like कि auditions कहाँ हैं इनके? वो कह रहे हैं auditions तो देखे ही नहीं. And what we like to believe is there were no auditions. So I don't know how Dice team managed to get auditions for all those people.
फैमिली कौन सी फैमिली पे साले?
And auditions के बाद भी
We had still not decided on who the female lead character would be. I think we had finalized the
Arjun
male.
was finalized.
Arjun was finalized.
फिर director came into picture.
I think Sachin convinced us. We got on a call with him like multiple times, and he assured us that Bhagyashree would do like a really, really good job. And I think she has. So yeah.
मैं असली बताता हूँ तो क्या हुआ. स्वाति ने बोला ये तो ठीक नहीं है. Just because they're on a schedule doesn't mean we have to shoot now. Love you, Pocket Aces. And then we were like very clear, Sachin sir, we have to choose the right leads. If the cast isn't good, no one will watch this. And then he says, एक चीज बताना चाहूँगा. And then he started painting it. It was almost like the canvas was black outlines. And then he started putting like rang in it. And बहुत अच्छा, मतलब बहुत सुंदर से he explained one scene to us. He said,
I think he acted the scene out.
He acted the scene out.
the entire scene out.
he said, don't worry, मैं बहुत साल से कर रहा हूँ sir. I have faith कि these guys can pull it off. And then Swati's like, बस यही सुनना था. And he was so right.
Yeah.
The leads are amazing. They've done such an amazing job. They worked so hard. So I think we learned a lot from Sachin on those conversations as well.
Chalo, I'll take you back to shoot day. What was it like to walk into an actual functioning shoot?
Bhai, it was completely different.
The whole Vanity van is, gives you that star vibe कि भाई आप star बन गए हो.
Producer वाली feeling आई यार, मतलब सब भाव दे रहे हैं. अरे producer आ गए.
See, we had gone as Prateek's entourage. And that is how you were treated also at the on the set.
We wanted to be invisible on the set.
Yeah.
But they had a chair जिसके ऊपर they printed out producer. I'm like, bro, that's like, I'm not sitting on that chair. मतलब hierarchy होता है वहाँ पे उस set में. तो वो थोड़ा अजीब था.
And just the sheer amount of people on the set, oh my god. Like we do one shoot with like 5 people on set.
There were like
hundreds of people.
100 people
and
there.
like one person had an assistant, then a second assistant, then a third assistant, and then I don't know, a fourth assistant.
So I was wondering, how are these 100 people coordinating amongst themselves? They don't. There is one guy who's screaming in their ear, their nose.
Mark. Set. Background action. चलिए.
Everywhere saying, भाई तुमको ये करना है.
Also, I think they had like written down everyone's work for that day on like a piece of paper, and everyone had that piece of paper and they were just referencing to it.
This one moment really shocked me. So if you look at a 0-1 video, when we move from one set to a different set, like that changeover could be an hour. Now when this happens on a road, जहाँ पे there is a stall, जहाँ पे पापा उसके is making sandwich, serving it to lot of people, and then there's another scene that happens from the other side, which means this massive light has to be moved to the other side. The stalls have to be moved to the other side. Bunch of cameras move to the other side. That crowd which is walking behind people is a paid, acted crowd. They have to be moved to this side. तो बहुत movement है यार इसमें.
The entire set was moved from one place to the other in a span of 10 minutes, and we were flabbergasted.
10 minutes. They moved everything in 10 minutes. Ready? And he's like, roll. चलो, आओ अर्जुन अपना dialogue बोलो. लोग ready नहीं थे. But because Arjun dialogue बोल रहा है, everyone got in place. 100 people coordinated. 10 minutes it was done.
Let's talk about PS's cameo.
हम लोग सर का कैमियो फिट नहीं कर पा रहे थे.
स्किप करते हैं, ट्रैवल प्लान्स नहीं बन रहे हैं.
So first idea was कि सर को हम बनाएंगे this special investor वाला character. तो वो फिट नहीं हुआ. Then second was there's this scene where Ajay is selling his computer. We thought कि सर वो होंगे कि जाएंगे ऐसे कंप्यूटर उठाएंगे, बात करेंगे और चले आएंगे. But that also didn't fit. We were not able to find a third place कि कैसे fit करेंगे. So we all were talking and we thought कि अच्छा maybe in the part where Urja is talking to Arjun, we thought वहाँ पे कुछ कर सकते हैं.
That 20-second shot of PS took 2 hours to shoot.
2.5 घंटा शूट हुआ है वो.
The script was changed at least 10 times before he actually did his cameo,
For one line.
which was like 1 or 2 lines.
You have to change that line. Maybe emotion नहीं आ रहा आपके face पे.
मजा आया होगा.
And हम लोग ऐसे खड़े हुए हैं.
Sometimes वो अपनी line भूल रहे थे, आके भूल जा रहे थे मुझे करना क्या है. So it was very funny also.
Because here's what they said. They said, आप आना, बोला, hey, what's up? Hey, Pratik, what's up? चलो चलें. I'm like, what? Hold on. I'm coming over here and I'm saying, चलो, and then that's it. So मैं जबरदस्ती
Ab,
उसमें
don't say what you said.
line
because
add
people
किया.
have to wait for the 5th episode
So you
to come
see
out.
that line, तो मैं थोड़ा सा ज्ञान देके
You've mentioned multiple times कि it wasn't necessarily a smooth sailing, right? Did you have any doubts?
Doubts थे.
Yeah, I think
all the time.
All the time. I think every month we would say, should we not do this? Are we not ready yet?
Yeah.
And I think you're never ready. You're never ready to do something new. There's always a reason not to do it.
We were trying to balance 3 stakeholders' interests here. The first one being Zerodha's philosophies, the second one being internal Learn app guidelines, and the third being ki Dice Media, what do they think works in this space, right? Balancing these 3 was very tough.
हम उनको कुछ बोल रहे हैं, उनको नहीं समझ आया, like नहीं करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं.
We were always questioning the fact that whether our audience is going to appreciate this or not. Should we even release it? Where should we release it?
What channel would it go on?
Yeah.
So I'll paint a few fears for you. What if the leads don't do their job? What if the direction isn't good? What if the script doesn't make sense? What if it's not connected to money? What if there are no lessons? What if that audience doesn't go watch 01, actually learn, and our main aim of financial literacy is not done? What if our coordination wasn't good? What if the shoot schedule completely changes? What if?
नहीं करते, नहीं कर सकते, हमें नहीं आता.
There's so many variables, right? And internally, since we've always produced everything in-house in 01,
Yeah.
we have control over everything.
Yeah, exactly.
And here we had control over nothing.
Yeah, correct.
And it was so scary because for us, it was the first time that we were doing it.
One thing that you loved about this process?
I think learning.
Working with Noor. That's my answer.
Oh.
I think we learned a lot.
Yeah, working with Pulkit also.
Learning about character arcs, learning how a story is written.
I think what I enjoyed about this was it really moved me out of my comfort zone. हर रोज लगता था कि पता नहीं यार ये क्या हो रहा है, ये कैसे करेंगे, ये कौन करेगा, is this even going to go?
The entire thing was a new experience, and I thoroughly enjoyed every bit of it.
I think all of us really understood that returns are possible through investments and stocks as long as you really know where you're investing, as long as you've studied and researched about the investments that you're doing.
One thing you hated about the process?
It took too long.
Working with Noor.
Second guessing ourselves, self-doubt was very high.
No control.
No control. Actually, that's...
No control was what I hated the most.
Myth or fact? This is the first fictional piece 01 has done.
Myth.
Fact?
It's a fact.
Fact. गलत है क्या?
Abhishek's our first fictional character.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a fact. It's a fact.
Dude. No, he's as dumb as what he sees on screen. Have you seen his portfolio?
Abhishek is not at all a fiction.
Fiction. That's
And
a reality. Like what
it's a
I'm
reality.
saying.
Little bit fiction. He's not that financially dumb. He just plays dumb.
Pulkit and Noor are convinced that is not true. Abhishek is actually as dumb. And वो fiction नहीं है.
भाई natural है यार, ये अंदर से आती है, ऐसा नहीं है.
What was the biggest financial myth फिर से उठ चला personally broke for you? Quick money. There's no quick money is what the misunderstanding is. I think there's no shortcut for anything in life. If you have to really gain what you wish for, there is always a hard path to take. And this show genuinely taught me so many things about it. And that was the biggest myth that broke.
Are we prepared to fail?
I think it'll work. It doesn't work वाला case हम लेके चल नहीं रहे हैं, to be very honest, because one, इसमें I think काफी लोगों का heart and soul गया है, and I've like to believe जहाँ पे heart and soul जाता है वो शायद चल जाता है.
The good thing about the internet is, if it fails, that means no views, no talking, which means
People have forgotten about
no
it.
knows. अगर views बहुत आ गए, people like it. Actually, more than the views, the love people do on LinkedIn or Instagram, the DMs matter. If that's happening, then it's one. If people forget about it, तो हम अकेले में डिप्रेस हो जाएंगे टीम के साथ. And we just tell the team बढ़िया काम नहीं किया तुमने. We'll just blame it on them.
One question I'm sure हमको अभी भी आने वाला है and I'm sure all of us are anticipating loads of hate about it. हिंदी में क्यों है वेब सीरीज?
यार एक्सट्रीम ड्रामा ना हिंदी में अच्छा लगता है.
I think in English, I talk in English, I write in English. So I'm the most comfortable in English. So if you would ask me, I would do this in English.
Jokes apart, I think with 01 OG main channel, English has been a very good medium for us. We reach roughly 80 million people a year, right? So the next big thing was Hindi, obviously.
But because the team thinks in Hindi, consumes Hindi, we've worked with people who've written very nice web series in Hindi. The first choice for the first step was Hindi.
Also, I think people will relate to the characters if they talk in a language that is familiar to them rather than talk in a language which is not naturally familiar to them.
Regional content is something maybe in future years we try that.
And I'm sure we'll do English version, we'll do other languages. This is just the first step into how fiction X finance can look like. It took 1.5 years to get to this point.
Is it 1.5 years?
1.5
year in the
including
making.
the discussion कि करना है, करना चाहिए, and now it's actually out. So now I feel a little empty कि अब क्या करें? Views नहीं आए तो? Did you like any of the characters or the episodes? Please DM us, tag us, so we know if we should do more stuff like this or not.
Tag कहाँ करें?
Instagram हो सकता है, LinkedIn हो सकता है, comments हो सकता है.